Hello, welcome to the last aspect of the objective test questions on NOV-DEC 2024. If we are seeing this, simply means that you are able to watch all the 50 episodes. The next episode will be dealing with the subjective text, that is the section B aspect. So this one is on set, given that E is a set of x such that 1 is less than x less than 10, where the values of x is an integer, even integer. Then the set of f is also a set of x such that 2 is less than x less than what? Or equals to 7. And the x in this set is also an integer, whether even or not, it's just an integer. These two sets are subsets of the universal set, which are natural numbers up to what? 10. So better still, we can state our natural numbers which are moving from 1, 9, and what? 10. That's the natural numbers that we have here up to where? 10. Then the set of E could also be given as 2 is less than x, meaning x is more than 2. So we are beginning from 3 upward. Let's begin from here. 1 is less than x, meaning x is more than what? 1. So from 2 upward, up to this place. So 2 must be an even integer. So all the numbers that x is responding to must be even. So I'll take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 because 10 is inclusive. Here, this sign shows that the number here is inclusive in the set of x. Then the f will also be 2 being less than x, meaning x is more than the 2. So we begin from 3. And there is no criteria or restriction on the numbers. They just say integers. So all integers can be included. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and what? 7. Because 7 is also inclusive. Alright. Now, we are finding the complement of E. So what is the complement of E? The set of numbers that are in the universal set but are not found in the E itself. That's the complement outside the set E. So I'll be having 1, 2 is here. So I go for 3, 4, I go for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is there. So this is going to be the complement of what? The set E. These complements will be intersecting the F. So E complement intersecting F, meaning putting the two sets together, which element belong to both E complement and F. So let's see. I have F and E right here. So 3 is the first common term, 5 and what? 7. So let's look through the options and see. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. So this will be the option that best describes the E complement intersecting what? F. I believe you follow this one also. Don't forget to come back to this page for the section B. We are having 13 different questions which has A, B in all of them. So approximately we will be dealing with what? 26 episodes for the section B. Don't miss that. Come back to this page, share with somebody, indulge them to subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell on Facebook, on YouTube, so that anytime a video is uploaded, they'll be first to be notified. Thanks and bye-bye.